In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress audio in Audacity. Compression is a powerful way to even out your audio so the quiet parts are easier to hear and the loud peaks don't jump out. It helps podcasts, voiceovers, and music sound more consistent and professional without constantly riding the volume. Start by opening your track in Audacity. If you have multiple clips or tracks in your project, make sure you select the one you want to edit. You can click anywhere on the track to target it, or drag to highlight a specific region if you only want to affect part of the audio. Keeping your selection accurate ensures the effect applies exactly where you intend. Next, go to the top menu and choose Effect, then Volume and Compression, and select Compressor. This opens the main controls where you'll shape how the effect behaves. Let's walk through the key settings. Threshold is the volume level where compression begins. Think of it as the line in the sand. Whenever the audio crosses that line, the compressor steps in. Lowering the threshold means more of your audio will be compressed. For voice, a starting point around -20 to -15 dB usually works well. Too low and your track can sound squashed. Too high and you might not hear much change. Ratio tells the compressor how strongly to reduce levels once they cross the threshold. A 2:1 ratio is subtle and natural. A 3:1 ratio is a solid, general-purpose choice for voice. A 4:1 ratio is more aggressive and can rein in very dynamic performances. Higher ratios tighten dynamics but can also make things sound less lively, so adjust with your goal in mind. Attack time controls how quickly compression starts after the sound exceeds the threshold. A fast attack, such as 0.n seconds, helps catch sudden peaks like plosives or sharp transients. Release time sets how quickly compression lets go after the signal drops back down. A slower release, around 1.0 seconds or higher, tends to breathe more naturally and avoids a choppy effect. You'll also see an option called Makeup Gain. Check this to automatically bring your overall level back up to around 0 dB after compression. Since compression reduces peaks, Makeup Gain helps recover loudness so your track doesn't end up sounding quieter overall. Just be mindful that raising overall level can also raise background noise, so aim for balance. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Apply or OK to process the audio. If the result feels too heavy or too light, you can adjust the threshold and ratio and try again until your track sounds even, clear, and confidently present.